Are you looking for the best way to help you improve your writing? Look no further than Chat GPT and Grammarly. These two tools are the most popular writing assistants on the market today, but how do they compare? In this video, we'll take a look at both Chat GPT and Grammarly to help you decide which one is the best for your needs. We'll evaluate each service based on features, accuracy, pricing, and more to make sure you make the right decision. Keep watching to learn more about the ultimate comparison between Chat GPT and Grammarly. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video for more informational videos like this. Without any further delay, let's dive in. Introducing Chat GPT. When it comes to writing, one of the biggest challenges is finding the right words and structure to effectively communicate your message. However, what if you had a virtual writing assistant that could help you craft the perfect sentences and paragraphs with just a few keystrokes? That's where Chat GPT comes in. Chat GPT is a state-of-the-art natural language processing tool that uses machine learning algorithms to understand the nuances of language and provide writing suggestions in real time. Whether you're working on a research paper, a business proposal, or just need to improve your everyday writing skills, Chat GPT can provide valuable assistance to make your words come alive. One of the key advantages of Chat GPT is its ability to provide personalized writing suggestions based on your writing style and preferences. Unlike other writing tools that rely on generic grammar and spelling checks, Chat GPT goes beyond surface-level errors and helps you refine your tone, voice, and style. It's like having a personal writing coach who's always available to help you improve your writing skills. Another benefit of Chat GPT is its ease of use. You don't need to be a computer expert or have any special technical knowledge to use this tool. Just type in your text and let Chat GPT do the rest. With a user-friendly interface and intuitive navigation, you'll be able to generate high-quality content in no time. In summary, Chat GPT is an innovative writing tool that offers a variety of benefits to help you take your writing to the next level. From personalized suggestions to ease of use, Chat GPT can help you enhance your writing skills and achieve your writing goals. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform the way you write? Introducing Grammarly. Grammarly is an online grammar checker and writing assistant that is designed to help users improve their writing skills and create error-free content. It is an AI-powered platform that helps users to enhance their writing skills by suggesting corrections for grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors in real time. Grammarly also has the capability to detect inconsistencies in writing style, tone, and syntax, making it an excellent tool for writers of all levels. Grammarly offers users various plans ranging from a free version to a premium plan with advanced features. The free version allows users to access basic writing checks, while the premium plan gives users more in-depth analysis and suggestions, including plagiarism checks, advanced grammar checks, and style suggestions. Grammarly has a user-friendly interface and is available as a web browser extension, a desktop app, and a mobile app. One of the unique features of Grammarly is its personalized suggestions. Based on the user's writing habits, Grammarly suggests recommendations tailored to the writer's style, making it a helpful tool for users to develop their unique writing voice. It also offers a tone detector, which can help users identify and adjust the tone of their writing, making it more appropriate for their audience. Overall, Grammarly is an excellent tool for writers who want to enhance their writing skills and improve the quality of their writing. With its real-time error detection and personalized recommendations, it is a powerful tool for anyone who writes regularly, including students, bloggers, and professional writers. While Grammarly is not perfect and can sometimes miss certain errors, it is still an invaluable tool for anyone looking to improve their writing skills and create content that is polished and professional. Key differences. When it comes to language assistance tools, there are many options available. Among the most popular are Chat GPT and Grammarly. Both provide users with various writing and editing features, but there are some notable differences between them. Firstly, Chat GPT is an AI-based chatbot that uses natural language processing to provide instant writing assistance. It's perfect for those who want real-time feedback and suggestions for improvement. Grammarly, on the other hand, is a writing assistant tool that you can download as an app or use online. It is more robust and has a wider range of features such as grammar and spell checking, style suggestions, and plagiarism checking. Another difference between Chat GPT and Grammarly is their compatibility with different languages. Chat GPT has more limited language support compared to Grammarly, which supports over 30 languages. This makes Grammarly an ideal tool for those who write in multiple languages. Additionally, the pricing structure is another key difference between Chat GPT and Grammarly. Chat GPT is a free tool, while Grammarly offers a freemium version and a paid version. The free version of Grammarly has basic writing features, while the paid version has advanced writing assistance features. The type of feedback and suggestions they offer is another significant difference. Chat GPT provides users with context-based suggestions that are aimed at enhancing their overall writing skills. Grammarly, on the other hand, provides users with detailed feedback on their writing and makes suggestions on how to improve their grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Which one should you use? Choosing between ChatGPT and Grammarly depends on your specific needs and preferences. Both AI writing tools have their strengths and weaknesses, and it's essential to know which one works best for you. If you're looking for an AI writing assistant that can help you with grammar, punctuation, and spelling, Grammarly is an excellent choice. It has a more comprehensive set of features, including contextual spelling and grammar correction, vocabulary enhancement suggestions, and even a plagiarism checker. Grammarly is excellent for anyone looking to improve their writing skills or those who need to write in a professional setting. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a more versatile writing tool. Its primary function is to generate human-like responses based on your input, making it an excellent choice for anyone who needs help coming up with creative ideas or conversational responses. ChatGPT is also beneficial for anyone looking to brainstorm or outline their thoughts before starting a writing project. When it comes down to choosing between these two AI writing tools, it's crucial to consider your needs and the specific features each one offers. If you're looking for an AI writing assistant that can help you with the mechanics of writing, Grammarly is an excellent choice. If you're looking for a more versatile tool that can help you generate ideas or outline your thoughts, ChatGPT might be the better choice. Ultimately, the decision of which AI writing tool to use comes down to your preferences and needs. If you're someone who struggles with writing in general, you may find that both ChatGPT and Grammarly can be valuable tools to have in your writing arsenal. The most important thing is to use whichever tool works best for you and helps you become a better writer in the long run. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.